Hey there, fellow hackers, and a special shout out to all your newbies. Welcome to the YouTube channel called HashX. Ever got stuck not remembering your Kali Linux password? Well, worry not because this video's got your back. So, without wasting a lot of time, let's dive into the demonstration. Find and hit that start button, assuming you are using a virtual machine, cause I'm in. Wait until the machine starts. Before starting, I'll tell you that skip the first two options. They are not important. Instead, quickly press E or F10 on your keyboard because there is only 6 seconds time period. Quickly press E or F10 on your keyboard. E or F10, whatever you like. Now scroll down using the keyboard's arrow key until you reach the word Linux. Then press right arrow key until you reach the end of the Linux line. Now clear it up until where R ends. The word R. Now type this magical command rwinit is equal /bin bin/bash bash. This grants you the admin privilege to change your password. Press Ctrl plus X to save it. Ctrl plus X to save it. So just wait few seconds. Now type ls/home and locate your username. So this is your username. Now type password PASSWT and your username. Password and your username. PASSWT and your username. And hit enter. Now set a new password. Reconfirm it. Hit enter. Set a new password, then reconfirm it and hit enter. Now finish it off with a reboot using reboot-f. You need to reboot the machine. Reboot-f. There you go, password changed successfully. Now you can watch it until I type username and password. Thanks for tuning in. Goodbye. Catch you in the next one.